Mastering the phrase, wrote the book on. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, wrote the book on. This phrase is not just about authoring a real book, it's a figurative expression rich in meaning. Understanding such phrases is key to mastering English, so let's explore it together. Wrote the book on is an idiomatic expression used to indicate that someone is an expert or the most knowledgeable person in a particular field or subject. It's like saying they know so much about the topic, they could have written the authoritative book on it. The phrase, wrote the book on, likely originated from the idea that authors of books on specific subjects are experts. Over time, it became a figurative way to express deep knowledge or skill. You might hear it in sentences like, when it comes to negotiation, she wrote the book on it. He's such a great chef, he practically wrote the book on French cuisine. Understanding the context is crucial when using this phrase. It's often used in a respectful or admiring way but can also be used sarcastically or humorously. For example, he thinks he wrote the book on fashion, but those clothes are out of style. Humorous, sarcastic. Let's see how well you can understand this phrase through some examples. Try to determine if the usage is admiring, humorous, or sarcastic. 1. My grandmother wrote the book on family recipes. No one cooks like her. Admiring. 2. Oh, so now you wrote the book on golfing just because you watched one tournament? Sarcastic. Understanding phrases like, wrote the book on, enriches your English communication, adding depth and color to your conversations. Remember, language is not just about grammar and vocabulary. It's about expressing ideas, emotions, and attitudes. Hope this lesson helps you write the book on effective English learning.